Ankit, breaking update coming in where the current production capacity of COVID vaccine will now be doubled by May-June 2021 and then will be increased by nearly 6 to 7-fold by July-August 2021. It is expected to reach nearly 10 crore doses per month by September 2021. This is being said by the Ministry of Science and Technology, where there is a current shortage of Covaxin that is being reported. However, Bharat Biotech says that they have directly delivered the vaccine to almost 18 states directly. Now, the current production that is will be seen to be doubled in capacity in the month of May-June 2021 itself, owing to the rise in demand of the vaccine that we have seen as a nationwide demand. But also by the months of July to August 2021, we are getting to know that the entire production will be increased by 6 to 7-fold. Let me go across to Ankit now for a quick update. Ankit, this will now cover the shortage as many of those states that have been highlighting in the last few weeks. Alright, what is being said so far that it is expected to reach nearly 10 crore doses per month by September 2021. This has been confirmed by the Ministry of Science and Technology. However, Bharat Biotech has already said that they are in direct touch with the states and are directly supplying at least to 18 states the vaccine supply that is being done directly to them. This is something that has already been flagged up, whether be it in the governments of the states like Maharashtra and even in the national capital. Let me go across to Ankit now. He's joining us from the Mumbai newsroom live. Ankit, now how we are looking up that the vaccine shortage will be covered up in the coming weeks from now?
This is very, very big news, Amita, that has come in from Bharat Biotech. Essentially what they are telling us is currently, and I have the story open on republicworld.com, so that's where everyone can check what exactly has been decided. Here are the main points. There is a large plan to augment the production of Covaxin. In April, 1 crore doses were produced. Those crore doses were produced predominantly at only one establishment, that is the Hyderabad manufacturing plant of Bharat Biotech. According to the new plan, 6 to 7 crore doses will be produced in July, and by September they will ramp it up to 10 crore doses, that is 100 million doses. How will they do this? They will manufacture Covaxin at 5 locations. Bharat Biotech's plant in Hyderabad, Bharat Biotech's plant in Bengaluru, which has now been funded to the extent of 65 crore rupees. In addition, 3 public sector entities, Hafkin Biopharma in Mumbai, IIL in Hyderabad, and Bibcol in Bulandshahr. So these are the 5 locations where production of Covaxin will be ramped up, and it will take this production to an extent, like I mentioned, to 100 million doses per month. Just to put things into perspective, so far, India has administered 170 million doses of vaccine overall. So this just tells you that this is a very large increase in production of Covaxin that they are mulling. This also comes at a time when Covaxin has obtained permission to trial its vaccine on children. So considering that there is a very high demand for Covaxin anyway, because as a vaccine, it has vastly overshot people's expectations. It has proved, even Dr. Anthony Fauci of the US noted that the Covaxin is potent against the B1617 variant of the virus. And now it is also, as Dr. Krishna Allah told Arnab Goswami, one reason that a lot of countries want Covaxin is because it is believed to be a technology that is perhaps safe for children as well. How safe it is, that we'll find out as the clinical trials go on. But it is definitely estimated that the demand for Covaxin is very, very high, and it is only going to increase. Just 2 days back, it was being supplied to 14 states. Now, as per Suchitra Ella, it is being supplied to 18 states. So we are looking at perhaps the most potent vaccine that is out there, increasing its manufacturing capabilities tenfold in just a matter of a couple of months. It could really, really help India out.
Alright, Ankit, thanks very much for getting us those information. All of that which Ankit has said, that can be accessed directly on republicworld.com as far as Covaxin production, its manufacturing is concerned, how it is being ramped up, and what is the plan of Bharat Biotech in the coming few months' time to completely double or to 6 to 7 times. We are looking at how the entire production will be augmented in the coming times to actually meet up with the demand of the vaccine nationwide.